Welcome back to another video of the same chapter expressing the past. Now we will discuss the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk about actions that went on for some time in the past. Means the action was going on for some time in the past. It is used to describe an action that started and continued for some time in the past. Means to tell about an action going on over a period of time in the past. Look at the examples. He was playing video games all evening. Was playing all evening. Action was going on long time. My mother was helping me with my homework. Was helping, here also action was going on over a period of time in the past. The police officers were patrolling the whole day. Were patrolling whole day, action was going on long time. So we used here past continuous tense. It is used to talk about the earlier action when two past actions are described. Means to tell about an action that was in progress when another action took place. Look at the examples. My mother was sleeping when the bell rang. The children were playing when the teacher entered the classroom. The light went out while I was reading. It is used to describe persistent habits in the past with words like always, continually, etc. Look at the examples. He was always grumbling. Rehan was continually arguing about money. Now, different forms of the verb in past continuous tense. First, you will see affirmative sentences. We, you, they, plus were plus ing form of the verb. In past continuous tense, in the affirmative sentence, if the subjects are we, you, they, with that we will use were plus ing form of the verb. Examples: they were watching a film. We were watching a film. You were watching a film. I, he, she, it plus was plus ing form of the verb. With I and third person singular number, we use was plus ing form of the verb. I was playing in the park. She was playing in the park. Now see the negative sentences. We, you, they plus were not plus ing form of the verb. If the subjects are we, you, they, will use were not plus ing form of the verb in negative sentences. Look at the examples. They were not watching a film. You were not watching a film. We were not watching a film. I, he, she, it plus was not plus ing form of the verb. If subjects are I, he, she, it, will in negative sentence we will use was not plus ing form of the verb. Look at the examples. I was not playing in the park. He was not playing in the park. She was not playing in the park. Interrogative sentences. Where plus we, you, they plus ing form of the verb. If the subjects are we, you, they, in the beginning we will use where, then subject, then ing form of the verb. Examples: were they watching a film? Were you watching a film? Were we watching a film? Was plus I, he, she, it plus ing form of the verb. If the subjects are I, he, she, it, in the beginning we will use was, then subject, then ing form of the verb. Was I playing in the park? Was he feeling hungry? Now we will discuss past perfect tense. The past perfect tense tells us about an action completed before a given point of time in the past. Means the action was completed before the time given in the past. It is used to talk about something that happened long ago. Means the action was happened before a long period of time. Look at the examples. I had met Soma several years ago. Several years ago, I had met. Several years ago means it is a long period of time in the past. I had seen him before 5 years. Before 5 years, it is also a long period of time when the action was happened. So we use past perfect tense. It is used to describe an action that was completed in the past before another action began. Look at the examples. I had fallen asleep when someone knocked on the door. I had fallen asleep means that action was completed in the past before someone knocked on the door. Second examples. The play had begun before I reached the theatre. The play had begun. That action was completed in the past before I reached the theatre. Past perfect tense is used to describe a past action in the reported speech. Means in indirect speech we use past perfect tense also. Look at the examples. Maya said that she had gone to market. Salu said that her father had bought a new car. Both the sentences are in indirect speech, so we used here past perfect tense, had gone and had bought. It is used if two actions happened in the past when it is necessary to show which one happened earlier than the other. Means if two actions happened in the past and we want to show which action happened first, we use past perfect tense. Look at the examples. When I reached the station, the train had started. The train had started. This action happened first. So we used past perfect tense. By the time the police arrived, the robbers had fled the scene. The robbers had fled. This action happened first. So we used past perfect tense. I had written the letter before he arrived. I had written this action happened fast, so we used past perfect tense. It is used with some verbs such as hope, expect, think. Examples. Anshu had hoped the questions in the test would not be too difficult. The film was not as bad as I had expected. Different forms of the verb in the past perfect tense. Affirmative sentences. I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus had plus past participle form of the verb. Look at the example. I had slept early last night. The dog had barked at the thief. Negative sentences. I, we, you, they, he, she, it plus had not plus past participle form of the verb. She had not remembered to water the plants. We had not seen him in 3 days. Interrogative sentences. Had plus subject plus past participle form of the verb. In interrogative sentence, in the beginning we will write had, then subject, then the past participle form of the verb. Look at the examples. Had you read this book before? Had she slept in the guest room last night?